Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to set up a Siemens S7-300 PLC to a Weintek HMI through the built-in Ethernet port. In Semantic Manager, I have set an IP address to the PLC. I made a simple list with a couple of tags. We want to export them as a diff file to a suitable map. I already made a simple program in my main program with the tags. We can now open up Easy Builder and create a new project. Here we choose the correct PLC type. Then we need to specify the IP address and port number of the PLC. Then we want to import the tags we exported as a diff file. I will add 2 lamps with the correct bits I made in my program. Then we'll add 2 buttons and connect them to the correct bits I made in my program. And last, I will add a numeric plate. I will now download the project to the HMI and then test it out. When I now push my buttons, the lamps will turn on. And when I modify my memory word tag, it will show on the HMI. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.